now, exclusive Storm Tracker Doppler weather with meteorologist Chase Ward.
We are tracking scattered showers and thunderstorms that are making their way out of the Argo-Tex area now and entering some of our western parishes and western counties, Arkansas. So keep the umbrella handy. Some places, even here, Ouachita Parish, we've yet to really get anything, but the cloud cover is slowly building as the cold front continues to drape across the region. Here's looking at Doppler 647. Heavier rainfall rates between Shreveport and Texarkana, and really most of it kind of following the state line between Louisiana and Arkansas, following between El Dorado and Farmerville. Looking now at the Tower Place, Tower Camera, and Monroe, as you can see, cloud cover has slowly started to build, but we've yet to get any rainfall, but we'll definitely see some of it closer towards lunchtime today. Temperature now at the Monroe Airport, 70 degrees, dew point still in the upper 60s, winds still remain relatively calm. Some of the storms have weakened out a little bit as they started to get closer to within the arc limits. You can see just near El Dorado, mostly just in the form of shower activity. Some of the lightning slowly kind of fading out a little bit, but still expect more rain activity throughout most of the morning all the way to lunchtime and probably early afternoon as these storms follow this cold front. And honestly, these thunderstorms expected to remain well below any type of severe limits and really well below sub-severe. So nothing really expect much out of that, but just inconvenient or pesky rain for the most part. High pressure is kind of just up to the northwest, which will follow suit right back behind it, which is what's going to really help make conditions feel a bit more pleasant for tonight and as we head into the start of the weekend. Temperatures area wide, got a few upper 60s and then lower 70s. Monticello and Ruston are both at 70, 68 between Camden and El Dorado. Dew points, no surprise, they're still in the upper 60, lower 70 range. That hasn't really changed at all week, but fortunately, after the cold front passes, we see dew points start to drop, and it's going to make it feel nicer for tonight through tomorrow. So bust up forecast, shower thunderstorms now, then through the afternoon will be partly clear. Temperatures still reaching kind of lower 80s, but they will trend a few degrees cooler compared to temperatures we've been seeing for most of this week. Now as we go into the weekend, they'll kind of gradually climb back up because through tomorrow we're going to see more sunshine. Next week though, as temperatures do begin to climb, we are looking to see more of a unsettled-like pattern with minimum rain chances. It's going to be kind of more of a summertime-like feel, kind of just minimum 10-20% chance. We could see more scattered activity through next Wednesday and Thursday, but nothing really as far as widespread numerous or just really a complete drencher, kind of just that inconvenient or just pesky rain for most of next week. So as we go into this evening, high pressure moves across the central plains to North Texas. Our winds come back out of the north, and we get some cooler and drier air, which has been long well needed for our region, make it feel nicer. Now as we go into Sunday, that high pressure kind of moves further down to the south. We're going to have an upper level disturbance follow suit behind it, and we could see more chance for a few patchy thunderstorms on Sunday afternoon. So today, it's mainly in the morning hours through lunchtime. Keep the umbrella handy even if you're heading out the door to go get your lunch, things of that nature. And as we go around 3 or 4 o'clock, that's when the rain kind of dissipates. Winds start to return back out of the north. Clouds start clearing out. We'll possibly fall to a few upper 50s in parts of Arkansas and kind of lower 60s across the rest of northeast Louisiana. Tonight, low 62 near Monroe. Tomorrow, we'll see temperatures in the mid-80s. We can warm up just a little bit. And then for most next week, it's going to be kind of on the more unsettled side. Temperatures climb to upper 80s through Monday and Tuesday, and we could see some hit the 90s on Wednesday and Thursday.